So I'm going to go over how you use your points. When you sign on, you go to your scheduled loyalty orders and you hit edit. And it says remaining reward points at the top. I have 7805. So you put everything you want to purchase in your cart. And then you will see beside each product, if you have an NA, that means that you either don't have enough points to purchase that, or that particular product cannot be purchased with your points, which does happen sometimes. If beside your product you have a drop down that has a 0 on it, you can click that and you can put 1. So now my lavender says 0 and my points now say 64.30. So when you look over to the right, your PV, for me, because I get commission, has to be at least 100 for me to get commission. So my points are still at 120. So I could potentially add some more things and use the rest of my 64.30 points. As long as my PV doesn't go under 100, I would still get a commission. If I wanted the free products of the month, my PV would have to be 125 or more. So once you do that with all of the products, like I'm gonna add oregano, and now that I've added oregano, my PV is back up over 125, so now I'd be getting the cedarwood free for this month. So that's how you add products and use your points. Your points have to be either the same amount as the product that you want to use the points for or over. So I have 64.30 points right now, so I cannot use my points and purchase something that is going to be 65 points because I only have 64.30 in points. So I can buy whatever that goes up to that amount. They don't let you use your points towards something that's like 100 points and I've got 64 points, so I'm going to use 64 of that to 100. They don't let you do that. So it has to be under that amount. So you do that all the way down, and if you're not getting commission on anything and you don't care if you get the product of the month, then your PV can be whatever you want. As long as you're at least spending 5 PV, because you can't just put all free products in. You do have to purchase something, even if it's, say, a lemon oil. So, but yes, and they do charge you also a $3 point redemption fee. I don't know why, but they do. So you see that over to the right also. And then you would have to do proceed to checkout now. You could not use your points and then save your cart and process it later. You have to use your points and then process now. So if you have any other questions, let me know. And have fun using your points. I love free stuff.